Everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to gift money in Steam. So the first step is to open any browser and search for Steam gift cards, and then simply click on the first link, and then here you have to simply choose the amount. Now, as you can see, you have different options. So you have the lowest one, which is €5, up to €100. So you'll have to simply select one of these, and after that you'll have to simply log into your Steam account. I'm already logged into my account, so I don't have to do that again. And the next step is to simply enter your friend's name. So you'll have to simply enter your friend's name, and here you're gonna appear your friends from your account list, and then you have to simply select them and then simply click on continue. Then you can add a gift note, as you can see, and then you have to simply pay for the gift card. You're gonna have to add your credit card info or use PayPal. And basically that's all you have to do. After you purchase the gift card, they're gonna receive the gift card, and then they can use it in their Steam account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.